So now in this session we are going to see membership function. Okay, so if it is ordinary group set, it is called chi value, but in case of fuzzy set, it is called membership value, right? So consider an universal set x bar, so which consists of a fuzzy set a bar. So this fuzzy set consists of 4 elements, namely element A, element B, element C and D. So here we are checking the orientation of the elements towards the center. So among all the 4 elements, so which is at the center point? Yes, it is element B. So I am giving membership value for this element as 1. So which is maximum value, right? So whereas for A it is nearer to center, so I am assigning 0.7. So whereas for C it is on the circle, so I am giving the value 0.5 here, right? So what about D? Yes, so which is totally outside of the circle, so I am giving the value 0 here. So if it is ordinary classical set, you can check whether the element is inside the circle or outside the circle. So you can give either the value 0 or 1. But here in this fuzzy set, so this membership value is denoted by mu a bar. So here x value, so that is the value in the closed interval of 0 to 1. So that means infinite number of points. So whereas in case of classical set, either 0 or 1. So this mu a bar of B is what? Membership value of the element B. So here the value is 1 because which is exactly at the center. So what about A? So you can give 0.768. Okay, so which is nearer to center. So I am giving 0.7 here. So whereas for C I am giving 0.5. And for D, so which is totally outside the circle, so I am assigning 0. So this is the membership values of 4 elements. Okay, so you can give values in the range 0 to 1. So now how can you define a fuzzy set? A fuzzy set is an ordered pair of element and the membership function. Okay, so fuzzy set X. So this X is the element, of course. Yes. So this mu a bar of X indicates what? Yes, you are correct. So the membership value of the element X. So here small x is the element, whereas this capital X is the fuzzy set. Okay. So how can you represent a fuzzy set? An element followed by the membership value of that element, right? So see this example. So consider a fuzzy set A bar, so which consists of 2 or so. So this is the condition. Okay. So if it is 2, exactly the membership value is 1. So if it is 1 or 3, so which is nearer to 2. Okay. So for this I am assigning the value 0.5. So whereas for the remaining numbers, for example 4, 5, 6, I am giving 0. So this is a condition 2 or so. Okay, so you can represent this as a fuzzy set like this. So what is 1? Yes, it is element, whereas 0.5 is the membership value of the element 1. Okay, so come to 2. So 2 is the element, whereas 1 is the membership value of element 2. So why I am giving 1 here? Because the fuzzy set is 2 or so. So here I am giving 2. So the exact value is 1 here. So come to 3. So which is nearer to 2. So the value is 0.5 here. So what about the remaining elements 4, 5? So which is not nearer to 2. So I am giving the value 0. So this is an example for fuzzy set A bar. So fuzzy set is an ordered pair of element and its membership value. So this is a way of representing a fuzzy set. So that's all about fuzzy set representation.